you know, there's hanging out with my fellow colleagues or hanging out with future millionaires, and we know which one of the future millionaires, don't we? Yeah,
Not us.
Cleveland Chain Reaction Season 4, meeting our second batch with semi-finalists. My favorite talk show game. It's called Your Business in a Sentence. Let's our new semi-finalist. Coco, what's the name of your business?
Coco's Chalky paints.
Okay, your business in a sentence, and begin.
No sanding, no priming, no stripping, no kidding. Coco's Chalky powder is revolutionizing the way you will chalk paint your furniture, fraction of a time and a fraction of the cost.
So check it out. This is before, and this is after. Very nice. This Archie Bunker chair over here, before, after. And then you can see we're working on a really cool chair right here in the process. And let's meet Coco from Coco's Chalky Paints. Okay. This is great. So you and a chemist invented a chemical that you put in any paint. It turns it into chalk paint.
Yes.
Boom. And so that means now you didn't even have to strip this down.
No stripping, no sanding, no priming. You just take the powder, put it inside any paint you might have, and you start painting.
Boom. And that is cool. So it has gone so well that you invented 4 different types.
Yes.
And now you're sold out at Hobby Lobby. They love the idea so much. Bang.
Yes.
And now Target wants it.
Yes.
And you have a 20,000 square foot building, and you just need a whole bunch of L's to be able to help you make all this paint.
You're amazing.
You like that? Okay.
I love it.
That's Coco.